In front of me is the DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this DOOGEE device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now just allow in the pop-up and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on this square one on the left. Now you can name your recording however you wish to and tap on OK. Then click on this right button, and as you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to select Edit at the top right corner, click on recording that you wish to get rid of and tap on Delete at the bottom right corner over here. Lastly, select Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!